Remember I said I've never done it before. It's both of us that were learning it together, so that if it not work, because why is it yellow like baby shit?
On today's episodes of foods that will not be wasted, I have some bell peppers. Now these bell peppers, they were bought from mile 12, but before they came back, they were already spoiled. So I'm going to teach you, or teach all of us, because I've never really done it before, how to make use of your almost spoiled or your soggy vegetables to make something nice.
So this thing was a lot more spoiled than I expected. I had to throw a lot of them away. However, the ones that we could save, we saved. Like, it's bad. So we're going to go ahead and spice this and pop it in the oven. 1 cube of Maggi, white pepper, paprika. Oh, paprika has finished. Wow. All my ingredients are finished. Ground cumin, curry powder, and lastly, olive oil. You don't have to use olive oil if you don't want to, but olive oil has a nice flavor, and so it adds a special kind of flavor to it. Then you go ahead and stir them all together. So these are done. So oven for 30 minutes. So the NEPA people took light since that time, and it's now that they're bringing it, So we're going to blend it now and then put it in the fridge. So let's continue. Yeah, this was looking like. So let's go to the kitchen. Because I want to go for some extra creaminess, I'm going to add a little cream cheese. Nobody taught me to do this. This is based on vibes. So if it's not nice, I'm going to let you people know. And if it's nice, I'll still let you know. This thing was so expensive. This tiny thing like this was 8,000 plus. Just let me tell you, the Nigeria you have spoiled. 8,000. I think this should be okay. Let's not do pass ourselves. Okay. We are done blending. And it's smooth. I want to store it in the freezer. A little information that it's been exactly 2 days since our last blended peppers. A lot of things have happened in between, so I can't start to tell them. Right, just going to use it for breakfast because I don't really have what to eat right now. The oil is already on fire, so I'm going to add the other things now. We have onions, we have garlic, and then blended peppers. Our onions has dried a bit, so you add your blended peppers. To add some pepper because what we had was bell peppers and we need some spice. Is this too much?
It's too much now. Solid pepper is too much.
It's not.
Okay, let's say now only you go chop your food.
Off the top of my head, I want to add more. But since I know I have no pepper control, I will not add more. At this point, I don't know. I'm low-key scared that this thing may not turn out well. Okay, let's leave it to simmer a little more because I need it to dry up. Suck up the moisture. Ooh, it's sweet though. It's beginning to burn and the color has darkened a bit. To be honest, I was supposed to add pasta water, but I mistakenly poured the water away. I could have added the water first before putting the pasta, but I didn't want to make any mistakes. So I'll put this first, then add enough water to cook it. So just enough. It's sweet. I would like to like sweet. Let me give my siblings to taste. Honest feedback only, guys. Honest feedback.
It's nice. But I have to finish
Eating it, yeah.
I rate it a 7/10.
Period.
It's nice. It's nice. It's actually nice. I'll let it 8/10.
Thank you. Thank you. Chef has cooked and the household has concord. See you next time.